Valley of the Gods is in the southeast corner of Utah, almost at the Arizona border. We took the eastern entrance off of US Highway 163. There's a 17-mile dirt and gravel road that takes you through the area. The first part of the drive is flat desert terrain. This land is owned by the Bureau of Land Management, so it's free to get in and free to camp. Just be sure to pack out what you pack in because there's no facilities. The really scenic part of the drive starts around the halfway point, where you start to see the monoliths, pinnacles, buttes, and mesas. We made the drive in a two-wheel drive minivan, but I really wouldn't recommend that in rainy weather. This is really out in the middle of nowhere, so there's like zero light pollution. We weren't able to stay overnight, but I would love to camp here on a clear, starry night. It's easy to see why they call this place the Valley of the Gods.